Hi there, I'm Frank with Sportsland here in Salt Lake City, and we're here today to talk about a great little toy hauler under 30 feet and under $30,000. This is the Pacific Coachworks 27 FSB. Let's do a quick little walk around this. I'm going to start off with your awning. We got well lit outside. Come out with your electric awning. We got waterproof speakers on the outside for a little rock and roll action. And we got your easy lube hubs on your 15-inch tires. And these are really essential. If anybody's packed a bearing before, they know that you don't have to pack these. They actually come in with a single 2 or 3 grease zerks, goes in, packs the back bearings, 3 nozzles come out and pack the front. All good to go. About 6 months, every 6 months is a good thing to do with that. We come up here and we look at your front storage. We got through storage, or actually bin storage, not all the way through because our generator's on the other side, which we'll show you here shortly. All around the coach we have 4 scissor jacks. These drop down, easy to do. Comes with a handle with it, or just throw a socket on a drill, drop those down, stabilizing for the whole coach. Up front here we do have a well lit up front light for your evening hookups. Your LP gas canisters inside here, 5 or 7.5 gallons times 2. Battery bank system sets up back here behind the propane tanks, very convenient. Tucks away nicely. As you notice, our solid framing, tube framing that goes all the way through the actual frame and does a double weld, full weld around the front contact and a good solid weld where it joins up where the gussets are on your I-beam on the bottom. In here we have a 4,000 watt Awning generator. That'll run everything inside your coach. Now this will run your microwave, your TV, your air conditioning unit, and your exhaust system just below that blows it away from your front camp location. Right here we do have a Santa flush system. What this is a great big sprinkler head. When you go to clean out, this actually hooks up to a hose, pressured up by the hose nozzle, comes into here and has a great big spray head that just cleans out and sprays the whole entirety of the black tank, which is your sewer tank. Flushes up and out. Right here is your flush out system, and that just kicks out about 2 or 3 times of what I do with mine, and it just cleans everything out so you're no surprises the next time you go camping. Right here we have your hot and cold low point drains. These are really nice when you finish off your camp and you want to clear out the rest of the water inside your coach. You just open these up, turn that valve, and they drop out all your rest of your remaining water and wait for your return home. Right back here we have the condensing system and little hose drip out for your back of your refrigerator. And this is your hot water tank, 6-gallon tank. And that'll run your hot water through your whole coach, exhaust system for your stove, cable TV hookup, cable and satellite. Right here you ever park into a park where they do have that option, or you have your own satellite receiver and dish you can plug in right there, it comes in through the whole coach. Right here we have your tank fill. Now this is a 106-gallon tank, and this will, for dry camping purposes, will run you for quite some time out in the desert. So you fill this up and that will run off your pump system. At a park, you'll plug into this and this will actually be charged by the pressurized water from the hose into your whole coach and not have to use a pump at that time. Here you have your power cord, which we're plugged into right here. Everything comes back into about a 20-foot power cable, and that will power up when you're sitting with your generator. You plug this into your generator. Fuel station. Here's your 20-gallon fuel station, which also fuels the Awning generator, and this will come out to your fuel pump that's in here. It's a manual crank pump, which some have the electric crank pumps, other brands, but this one here will give you a manual crank pump so you don't have to worry about, if you do forget, to winterize your gas pump. This will not gunk up. Next spring you have fuel in there, you can crank that around. Coming around to the back of the coach, we do have lockable cams that once this is lifted up, these actually lock up with a key lock, not a padlock, so access denied when somebody comes up with a set of bolt cutters. Coming around here, we got your ramp set up, nice easy lift ramp, lightweight, easy to put away, and there's those locks again that you can lock up on both sides. We do have 2 big spotlights up on top for night riding and loading up in the evenings, and that's a pretty nice feature to have when you're sitting around back here after the ride as well. Well, let's go inside, guys, and go check out the interior of this Pacific Coachworks. As you can see upon entering, just the vast amount of room that you do have. You can actually set up a second table, which you have customers do, up on this side and help with any kind of additional counter space. Dual table setup, you can take these apart. These couches will come down to make 2 separate beds. And this will come down, as you can see the track on the right hand side here, will come down to this level. Comes with the ladder for access up to the bed. All the wood in these cabinets through the whole coach is all screwed and glued, pocket screwed and glued, not stapled. Solid wood, no particle board. Makes for a big difference when you're talking about years down the road. You don't have that wood swelling with particle board, where the solid wood will stay true. Solid surface countertops. And you got your oven, stove, 3-burner, microwave, which is always nice. And we got a 6 cubic foot refrigerator and the freezer up top. Vast amount of space in here for all kinds of stuff. We like to show that these pocketed up here are lifted on the inside, great for helmets. Up on top here, you throw your helmets up on top, they will slide off in the cabinets, but some of these with the lips is where you want to put stuff when you're riding, and they think of that as you're cruising down the road. We do have total blackout blinds for the back. Now we switched over to these. Smart idea to do. You can drop these down and get your daylight, but these are nice when you put these up and down. The blinds usually get somewhat turmoil, as you've probably seen if you've owned a toy hauler before with the blinds. Makes it nice for a blackout sleep area. Okay, well, we go into the bathroom. We do have a good size bathroom in here. Very tall shower. A lot of people looking for that. Sink and corner recessed toilet, so you can actually get in and out of there a little easier with your business. As we go into the bedroom, you can see we do have a walk-around bed and plenty of cabinet space inside, and a lot of cabinet space on top of here, which is pretty nice. Once again, a little lip up here, so you can set clothes up here and they won't come sliding off. Pretty good little feature they've thought of and overbuild on that. Queen size bed, and we do have capability for a TV hookup in here if you ever wanted to. We have a setup where you can put your mount, TV, and power up top. We do have all your controls right at your convenience right here. This will show your battery levels, your water levels, and your awning switch. And as we come over here, we do have a stereo system here. No TV comes with this coach, but your choice can be easily installed. We do have your CD, DVD player, Bluetooth, zones of audio all through here, which is wired up to here, where you can put a TV mount and probably do an extension mount, so you can kick this up and out for viewing in the back. And you do have your cable TV and your power set up here for all that. Well, guys, this is the Pacific Coachworks 27 FSB. We'd love to have you come down. Once again, my name is Frank, and we'd like to see you on the lot.